Spilled oil and fuel on asphalt surfaces can cause costly damage to parking lots and roads. Asphalt surfaces that are exposed to oil and fuel will soften and break down, leading to a loss of road integrity, costly repairs, and unsightly stains. This can also lead to costly trip and fall injuries in parking lots. Cleaning asphalt by pressure washing or using harsh chemicals can be expensive, dangerous, and time-consuming. Pressure washing can also further damage already softened areas, leaving potholes and cracks in asphalt that can require repairs or even complete replacement. FORO Asphalt Cleaner and Hardener is an easy-to-use, environmentally friendly product that's designed to clean, harden, and protect asphalt surfaces including parking lots, drive-throughs, and driveways. FORO uses the EPA-recommended method of bioremediation to remove stains, leaving a clean, restored appearance. FORO not only rehardens the surface, preventing further damage, it also protects as it absorbs new oil and fuel spills, eliminating soft spots that will grow into ugly potholes. FORO is safe, easy to apply, creates no hazardous waste, and cleans better than traditional methods. With FORO, you can clean and maintain your fueling locations, drive-throughs, parking structures, or any other asphalt surface so customers will enjoy a clean, safe experience.